This is Tony from Halizo Computer. Just giving you a tutorial here on how to reinstall your printer when you don't have the CD. Or maybe you have the CD but it's still not working because maybe it wasn't meant for Windows 7 or 8 and you were coming from a Vista computer. So what you'll need to do is go online to get that driver that you need. So we'll open up Google here and I'll do a Google search, and the first one we'll do is for a Canon, so I'll type in Canon drivers, and here it's the one at the top. Generally will be the first one. Here we are, and we'll go to Consumer, Home Office. It's probably what you'll have. Okay, here we have a Pixma MP240. We'll select it, click go. Okay, as you can see here, it detected my operating system automatically, Windows 7 64-bit, and that saves one step. It's generally pretty good at doing that, so. And I'll expand this with a plus. This product is a driver for Canon, and that's what we want, the IJ multifunction printers. And whether you have read this or not, you have to click this to download your driver. So feel free to read the disclaimer. And you'll go through the whole process. I'm sure you're familiar with how to install a program, and you'll just go through that process. And whether you have a wireless printer or you want to do it a USB connection, it will give you that option during the setup. Okay, so now let's go to the next one on the list, which is an HP printer. So I'll type in HP drivers, and you can see that the first one there is actually an ad. It says ad right there. We don't want to go there. We want to go to the first legitimate search result. Okay, and we have an OfficeJet Pro 8610. I'll expand this. 8610 is actually the E, so it might give you a couple different ones, different kinds of models that are very similar to the one you have, and this way you'll be able to narrow it down and get the exact model for you. There's also, you can have a picture reference here, just to make sure. Once again, it auto-detected here. Makes it very easy, so we'll click next. Okay, the driver, we'll expand this here. And that's what we want. The whole full feature software and drivers. That will pretty much keep track of your ink levels. It will give you everything you would normally have on the disk. So that's what you would like. If you want to make it smaller, you can just get the basic drivers. You might take a little more work on the configuration end, so this is my recommendation, just to get the whole software package and be done with it. HP, the installations generally take about 10 minutes depending on your computer speed. It's a rather long installation. And we'll go here, we'll do one more. I tried to pick 3 popular printers, hopes that maybe you would have one of these. The last one here is an Epson. And so I typed in Epson drivers in the Google search. First one here at the top. And we have an XP310. I'll select that. We'll go here to drivers and downloads. And right here, right at the top, it automatically detected my operating system again. And right there is the download. And I would click download and go through the installation process. And they're kind of all similar, it might vary a little bit as we've seen between these three, but generally it's all the same. They make it very easy now and user-friendly. So I hope this made you a little more comfortable in doing it, and hope it helped you out. If you have any other questions, refer to our other videos. Take care.